Welcome to Naufel's art class. Today we are going to learn drawing and shading. So today I will introduce different type pencil, 2B, HB, 4B and even blending stick, and you can use these cotton buds and tissue papers also you can use there. First we are going to learn how to use shading. Normal pencil, HB pencil, 2B, any pencil you can use for the shading. Now I took HB pencil. First I used here HB pencil and the 2B pencil for dark color. In between you can use so the darkest area you can do the dark color very clearly, and slowly when you come to left side you can make these light shades without press. If you press this pencil you will get the very darkest, so this very carefully, you should not go outside, because not only this shading, this neatness is very important for the shading. That is a very important. Okay, so you can choose this light color and dark color like that. We are going to learn how to do blending shading. So different option is the light and dark, or light, dark or light. Now I am going to use the dark and light color, but we should know very well which side should light and dark. First we should confirm which side is the light and dark. I am not right side, same like this before what I done, same like this picture, same like this. I am going to use here dark color. This is a blending method. First I can use this dark color one side and one side light color. Now I am going to blending, so that's why I am going to do this. Here is the light side, left side is dark, like this. First you must do this shade, apply the color without press. When you come to light areas, maximum you can make the light, because when you blending that time you can spread the color with the blender. Very smooth, but should not go outside. When you smooth and shading, so you will get this color on blending stick. I am using crossing method. Also you can use this 2B pencil. I am using the 2B pencil. I think this is a 4B pencil. It is better, no problem. Dark, one side light. When you use the pencil, it is a better HB enough. Then again you can make the different cross. Suppose this side I need to be dark color. Suppose here already done this one. Dark color left side, same like this. like this. When you do these shades, you can do the circle method. Even here is a bit crowd and near light, dark, sorry. And come to light area, you can make the divide the space, maximum space you can give there. And without press, when you add this color, you can use without press and do that here. Do here to be more dark. The methods depend of the picture. Suppose when you do this landscape picture, you can use like this circle stroke like this. And slowly we can give the half tone. When you put the very light color from dark to light, when you're using the light color, you must use the half tone or mid tone. You can use this blending stick or cotton buds, anything, maybe tissue also you can use this, depend your. I'm going to use here blending stick. The blending stick is ready. Then I will blend and spread slowly. This is the darkest areas. I already shared when you use the dark shading directly everywhere, no need the shade, because when you blending, that time you will get light tone from the blending stick. So slowly smooth and spread this color. See this shading. We have some different tones you can create from shading, just to highlight. I will explain, I will write here that very clear, and I will explain how to do that highlight and tone. Already this is a shading is complete. Then I will mark here step by step in the screen. You can see that I will explain what is the name of the shading. Then we should give the darkest area. This part is the shadow. Okay, we should confirm one side is dark, one side light. When then I can use this blending like this, light color like that. So one side dark, one side light, and cast shadow. This is a cast shadow. And same time you can use this eraser for reflect light. Reflect line means near one some other images will be there, from their image will reflecting on this image. Today we are going to wind up our class. I think you like this video. This is a very short video. Next class we are going to make little bit different type videos, and we'll come back. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like and comment what is your experience from this class. And next class we are going to learn different type one topic. Anyway, bye.